皆さん、こんにちは。尾形です。今日も一緒に漢字を勉強していきましょう。今日は4つの漢字を勉強します。We are going to learn 4 kanjis today. Okay? では始めましょう。Okay, the first one is 好き which means like. Okay, the stroke 1, it's like a hiragana ku, right? 2, and then 3. Okay, this letter literally means women. Women. 女. This is read 女. O, na. Okay? I'm sorry for my terrible writing. Okay, 4. You just stop here. Okay, 4. And then this is fifth. Okay, 5. 5. And then 6, 6. Okay? So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then from here, 5, brush stroke here, and then 6. Okay? Then the meaning of it, like fond, like be fond of, or pleasing. Okay. Kunyomi is suki, konomu. So this one, ki is okurigana, and mu is okurigana, which we learned before. Okurigana is the left part after kanji. So in this case, ki and mu are okurigana. Okay, look at this. Suki. So ki is here, right? Okurigana. Okay, suki, which means favorable or like. For example, 私はラーメンが好きです。which means I like ramen. 私はラーメンが好きです。Or you can say 私はワインが好きです。I like wine. 私はワインが好きです。Okay? The second example is 好む。好む。So, む is 送り仮名 which means like and prefer. Okay? So you can say 私はラーメンを好みます。But to be honest, it is not natural, not general. We say 好き instead of 好む。私はラーメンが好きです。However, if you report something, you can use 好む. For example, if you report that monkeys like bananas, you can say 猿はバナナを好みます。猿はバナナを好みます。Which means that we are not using 好む for human that much. Okay? So just keep in mind that. In general, we use 好き instead of 好む. Okay? And 音読み is こう。こう。So 大好物。大好物 is favorite food. So 物 is actually stuff or thing. Okay? Stuff or things. Okay, this is the first kanji, and this is frequently and widely used in daily conversation. So just check it out. The next one. Okay, this is kind of super overwhelming in terms of strokes. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Only left side has 7 strokes. Okay, actually this means here speech or language. Okay, speech or language. This is radical called gonben. Gonben. Then the right side is 1, 2, 3, 4. This looks like 5, right? 5 in number. Go. Okay. Go. Okay. Then 1, 2. So this is just one stroke. Here's also one stroke, right? Yeah. And then the last one. Altogether, 14 strokes. The meaning, as I mentioned, is language, speech, or word. Okay? Language, speech, or word. So this radical means speech or language. So if you see a lot of kanji which has gonben, this part, in those kanjis, that has to do something with speech, language, or word. Okay? The kunyomi is kataru. Kataru. So ru is here, okurigana. Right? Okurigana. which means to tell a story or to narrate. Look at the last one here, last example, 物語. So this is actually ga, right? Voiced because of this kanji. Depending on the kanji which attaches this kanji, the reading is changed, as we explained before. In this case, 物語, tale, story, legend. On reading, Chinese reading is go. I guess you're familiar with these languages, right? Nihongo, Japanese language, フランス語, French language or French, and 語学, language study. So you can say, I like language study. 私は語学が好きです。私は語学が好きです。Okay? Let's go to the next one. Okay, this is also a lot of strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fourth one. 5, 6, 7. So this is just one stroke. Don't forget to make a brush stroke here. Here, this is also one stroke. And then 10. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, right? 10 strokes. The meaning of it is high, tall, expensive. Okay, so you can basically use this kanji in a lot of situations because it has a lot of meanings here, right? So bushu, radical is takai, okay, tall. Kunyomi is takai. Again, it is okurigana. And for example, this one, takai. This means tall, high, expensive, but depends on the context, right? For example, if you say, あなたは背が高いですね。あなたは背が高いですね。That means you are tall, okay? Or you can say, このセーターは高いですね。This sweater is expensive. So 高い in this sentence is expensive. このセーターは高いですね。音読み is こう、like 高校 which we learned before, high school. And also 円高. So 円高, this one is daka, right? Daka. Again, this is voiced, not taka, because of the first kanji. Okay? In Japanese, if kanji is combined with other kanji, the reading is changed. Okay? In this case, endaka, strong yen. Okay? Go to the next one. 次に行きましょう。Okay, this is also overwhelming. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the 4 is here. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so far so good. And then this kanji, have you seen this before, right? It's a paddy field or rice field. Okay, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and 5. Just keep in mind, you don't have to, or you cannot penetrate this, okay? This part, okay? First this part, okay? Then this part, okay? You got it? Do not penetrate here. Okay, the meaning of it, turn or number. Bushu is ta, as I mentioned, rice paddy or paddy field. We don't have kunyomi, we have only onyomi, which is ban. So ichiban means first, best, or number one. Okay, 一番 means first, best, or number one. For example, あなたは一番です。You are the best. あなたは一番です。You are the best. And 番号 is number. So, for example, what's your number? あなたの番号は何ですか？あなたの番号は何ですか？ What's your number? Okay, how was today's lesson? Did you learn a lot? たくさん勉強しましたか？最後に一緒に練習しましょう。Okay, repeat after me. リピートしてくださいね。好き、好む、大好物、日本語、フランス語、語学、高い、高校、円高、 1番、番号。Okay? As usual, I share the link of this kanji sheet, so you can check it. いつも通りこの漢字シートをシェアしました。チェックしてくださいね。それではまた次回お会いしましょう。おがチャンネルでした。失礼します。またね。